Want to build a YouTube channel that earns money on autopilot, without showing your face, voice, or filming anything? In this video, I'll show you how to build a fully automated faceless YouTube channel using AI, in just 7 days. Let's go. Start by choosing a profitable niche. Some great options include AI tools, motivational quotes, business tips, tech reviews, or relaxing music. Use tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, or ChatGPT to find trending topics with low competition. Create your YouTube channel. Choose a brandable name that reflects your niche. Design a simple logo using Canva, and upload a banner that attracts viewers. Make sure your About section clearly explains the value of your channel. On day 3, use ChatGPT to generate engaging scripts. For example, ask it for a script about saving money. Short and impactful scripts work best, perfect for YouTube Shorts. On day 4, paste your script into Pictory. It will automatically generate your video using stock footage. Customize visuals, music, and subtitles as desired. In less than 30 minutes, your video is ready. On day 5, upload your video to YouTube Shorts. Write an attention-grabbing title with keywords. Create a strong thumbnail and use SEO-friendly tags to increase discovery. Consider hashtags like #shorts, #AI-money, or #faceless-channel for better reach. On day 6, create 5 to 7 videos in one batch and schedule them for consistent posting. The more consistent you are, the faster YouTube recommends your content. Mix quantity and quality. One viral video can transform your channel's growth. On day 7, prepare for monetization by adding affiliate links or promoting digital products in your video descriptions. Once you hit 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you can monetize through the YouTube Partner Program. And that's it, a faceless, fully AI-powered YouTube channel built in just 7 days. Zero camera, zero stress, just smart systems. Subscribe for more AI automation strategies and start building your digital empire today.